Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to continue creating our UI side of our application, and in this video we're going to create our Vue components. Let's go to our assembly first. Let's create a folder which is named components. Is that is it plural, right? Yeah, plural. Perfect. Let's add class inside the name of our component homepage Vue component. You have to use this Vue component suffix because the compiler, the C# recognize your class is a Vue component with that suffix, guys. Okay, let's add it now. Let's inheritance from Vue component. Yep, here we go. Now we need to add our service. Let's add it first, but we don't have any method right now. We're going to add our method as well. Private read only what was our homepage, right? Homepage service. Let's add our constructor. Perfect. Now we need to use a homepage service, but let's go to our homepage service and add a method for listing. Concrete homepage service. Let's see our existing homepage listing method. Collapse definitions. This is listing method. Yeah, it's using this Vue model. Homepage Vue model. So header and video link. I need a description as well, and I don't need ID. I don't need those, nothing. So this Vue model is not work for me. So I'm going to create a new Vue model at class homepage Vue model for UI. Alright, control RG public, and all I need is, let's go to entity homepage. All I need is three. Control C and Control V. Alright, Control S. We saved our entity. We saved our entity. Now let's go to our service now. We need to create a new method, UI service methods. Okay. You can create another class, but I'm just going to use just one listing method. That's why I'm going to use it here. Public async task return is going to be list of home page Vue model for UI get all list for all list for UI. Alright, and all we need is UI list dot get all entity list. Actually, I'm going to copy and paste all of them. Homepage list Vue model for UI Copy and paste. And all I need to change my projection. Yep, it's ready to use, I guess. And don't forget to add your mappings. Home page mapper. For UI. No, not update, sorry, my bad. The listing. For UI. Is this different name? Home page model for UI. Yeah, okay. Anything else do we need? Okay, let's edit. So let's go to our view components now. Public async task invoke. And let me have a quick check. Is the name of component, is that correct? Area user components. Yeah, we need to return IView component result. Yep. Now var home page list equal await home page. But before that, we forgot something, guys. Where is our service? Yep. We forgot to add in our iService. We need to add this method in our interface. Let's edit now. Alright, now we're able to see our method in our controller. Get all list for UI. Perfect. Now we can return with homepage list. Perfect. It's done. Let's save it and let's go back to our view section. We need to create our views. Where's my view? It's going to be in shared. Add folder. The name is home page. And we need to add, no, its name is component, sorry. Components. I would like to make a double check. We shared components correct. Within correct, guys. No worries about that. With components, yeah, here we go. Add another folder. This is the name of our view component. Let's add a view here, which is going to be empty. Is that empty? Yeah, empty. We're going to use the empty one. Let's give a name default. Control A and delete everything. Now let's go to our layout page and I am going to this section, right? I'm going to cut this section. Control X. I'm going to keep the cursor here because we're going to add our view component here. Let's go to default. Let's edit. We need to add our models here. Model list home page. View model for UI, right? Perfect. Let's cut and implement in view imports. All right. Did I put something wrong? No. So why it's not working here? Let's try to use it and we will able to see. I brought something wrong place. Oh no, this is not what this is not what I'm trying to bring here. Let's Control V. I just put again. Let's close the header. This is what we like to change. Yeah, hero section actually. Just cut them all. We're going to add our um, with component here. Okay, sorry guys, it's my bad. All right, now we're going to create a loop here, a for each loop. This container row. Here we go. This is the text. This is the image, header, description, and the link. So I'm going to use my for each here. Let's cut them all, put inside model. Yeah, this is going to be item dot nothing camera. What's happening my home page remodel UI? Let's type it again. I would like to build and I would like to see the error messages just for a second. Alright, before that I would like to bring my Viv import back to see is there any problem here. Why we have this error here is really interesting. Really interesting. I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna rewrite this section. Model list home page remodel for UI. Yeah. So why we have error here? It's really interesting. Hmm. Entity layer web application view model home page. Home page view model for UI. It's public. Then what is the problem with those? I'm just going to delete this section and create one more time. Sometimes it might happen. I'm going to delete the default CSHTML and just create one more time. Let's name default. This is our code. Let's add our model list home page for UI. Let's add our namespace. As you can see now it's working. Then what's happened previously? It's really interesting, guys. I'm gonna cut it again. Let's add the Vue imports. Yeah, it's working. Sometimes it might be happen, just delete the file and recreate again. Now it's working. We did nothing extra actually. Okay, let's continue. Item dot header. Item dot description. And I'm not gonna give any target for this button, and I am going to give a ref for here item dot video link, watch video. Gonna change with watch me. All right, let's save it and let's see if it's going to work. But before that, we're going to add our um, web component here. Await component dot invoke async. The location is home page. Um, how was we going to write our path? Let me see my previous with component. This is the layout for layout as well. Let's see our user layout section. How we just say is layout. Alright, so we can use just home page then. Probably it's going to work with this. Okay, let's KD, save everything. Let's try to open our home page within browser. And let's see, well, we got some errors. Let's see what we have here. Where is the problem? Spoil solution. Method invoke view component due to problem homepage view component cannot return a task. Let's go to our view component. Is there any problem? Let's save them all. Close all tabs. Let's go to component. I'm gonna close the application because it's getting crazy. As you can see, previous our HTML file get corrupted. I'm going to open again because the error message, there is no meaning. It's 18 minutes, we still have time. I'm going to build my solution directly to see is there any problem. Yeah, cannot return a task. Let me see my previous component. Yeah, we're going to return our view component result. Nothing, no problem here. Okay, let's see our previously done layout. Invoke async component, we back. Yeah, everything is seems correct. We share it, components, home page, and layout. Invoke async home page. It's really interesting. Let's open user component. Ah, we don't need to use this section, right? No. It's correct, so sorry. Ah, this section really make me confused. Yeah, everything is same. Shared components layout, shared component homepage, default. Our component's name is homepage view component. Everything is seems very nice. So let's have a look this section again. Homepage view component cannot return task. This is not a problem. This is nothing. Okay. Problem is here. Okay, let's view default. Invoke of view component cannot return task. Why cannot return task? Here's my component. Let's await, yeah. There is no issue here. Let me see my user components as well. Web component resolve, invoke async. Oh, we need to say invoke async. Yeah, this is my bad, guys. Okay, found this is really hard to find when you double click your error, and if you couldn't direct it to the error section, you might get confused. Let's build solution again. Hopefully it will be fixed now. Yep, it fixed now. Let's save everything. Oops, sorry. Let's save everything. Close all tabs. Okay. Try to open our views now. Sometimes I'm doing too much copy and paste and I forget to do something. Okay, guys. Perfect. This information come in our database. So we will able to change those information. Now it seems really too much. And I'm going to implement the login section here, and we will able to change every detail what we know. Let's try. Let's go admin. What was the test 5, right? 1 2 start. Let's go. This is home page. Let's edit it. The header. Welcome my company website. We are professional. Professional. Plumber company all over the London. All over the London. Do not hesitate to take action. Let's add a video link. Go to YouTube. Let's view my channel. And I'm going to click just random video and copy the link. Just submit it. Alright, everything is changed. Let's go to home page. As you can see, here we go. But this is too much text here again. Let's a little bit change again. Let's edit it. Just say welcome. Let's see. Yep, it looks much better now. We're a professional plumber company all over the London. Do not hesitate to take action. Get start, watch me. Alright, when I click the get start, I want my application go to contact site. So we can use this button like that. And this get start is going to be for the login section. And when we click the watch me, my video is going to see, as you can. Okay, no, we can close it. Perfect. Let's finish this lesson here. And next lesson, I am going to add my login section And actually, how many minutes I have? 25 minutes. Should I do it? Let's go because I don't want to create one lesson for 3 minutes coding. Let's go to layout. And where is my... No, layout, sorry. It's components. No, it's layout. In the header. This is get started about contact. Yeah, this is the section. Okay, let's change it. ASP controller. Oops. Controller is... Where is my controller? Authentication. ASP action login, I guess. Let's have a look. Login, perfect. Anything else? Let's save it and let's make it login. Let's try to see our home page now within browser. Yeah, here we go. When I click the login, we are here. But what's gonna happen if you're already logged in? Let's add some logic here. If user dot is identity, I guess, is authenticated, right? User identity, if it's authenticated, let's Control C. Let's change it. User index and user dot user dot identity dot name. Alright, let's save it and see if it's working. Within browser. Yeah, let's try to log in now. 5 password 1 2 star star. We logged in. Let's go to homepage without logout. If you see, if you can see, we see another. Okay, we need to use else, I guess. All right, let's use else here. Control X, Control V, Control KD. All right, let's save it. Let's refresh it. No, it's not working. Within browser again. Okay, let's log in now. Email is 5 password 1 2 star star. Let's log in. Let's go to home page. As you can see, we are logged in. Home page, logged in. Once we logged out, log in here. Perfect. It's working. Now next one, we're going to continue with our other web components guy. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.